Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. Alright you guys, look at my potatoes. They've been chitting on me for a long time and I'm finally getting them in some soil. So, these have been in my kitchen for a couple of months now and they did a wonderful job chitting. I split them up and they calloused over really good. Some of them did create eyes, some of them did not, but for the most part most of them did. So you can see how well they were chitting, and some of them I tried to split, but I didn't have time to let it callus over, so I was trying to make more potatoes. Like this one here, when you're chitting your potatoes you can actually split them so that you can get a bigger harvest. So this one could have been split and then calloused over and sold. But I'm taking a chance today because these have been sitting in my kitchen and I've been so busy that I haven't had time to get them in some soil, and today is the day that they are going in here, and I hope that I can heal these up and hopefully the deers won't mess with them or the rest of the wildlife. Hopefully they won't. So you guys, when you are doing your potatoes, make sure your eyes are sticking up straight like so. This one had a lot on there and I should have tried to cut this in probably 3 to 4 more pieces, but I'm going to take my chance with it being just like that. And I'm going to throw some fertilizer, bone meal, blood meal inside this raised bed, and then I'm going to cover them up. So I really have like 3 rows. So over here was the ones that calloused over but they didn't chit. So I'm just going to stick those down there and those will just compost down, or who knows, they may give me some potatoes. So over here is one whole potato and I want to take my chance with that. Over here is some more. You see the eyes peeking out. So now it's just time to throw some soil over these bad boys and wish for the best. So my plan is to hopefully get this covered. I had to order more shade cloths because I done placed shade cloths all the way down in the squash patch to protect them from the deers. Wildlife is being wild. I grew squash in this patch, the keyhole area, for what, 5 years, 4 years, and I never had a problem. Last year they went crazy. I did not get a big harvest from my keyhole area where I grow my squash. So hopefully the shade cloth will keep the deers out for a little while. I do have some germination over there. Look, see them? See the deer? Look. My dogs is chasing them. Look at him. He's just walking. Hold on. Up. He done scooted back. They just be walking around like they the neighborhood dogs. Yep. And usually they be all across the street. Look, all across the street. Yep. They be all back here. Look, see? Look, you see him? He don't walk. See, I missed him. He all the way over there. But yeah, they'll be right here. They'll be right here. But so back to the potato patch. I'm gonna get. I have some shade cloth on the way, so this will hopefully buy me some time, and they be able to stay inside this soil without any wildlife trying to get to them. Hopefully I have some time because I'm waiting on the shade cloth now. So with the summer gonna be the way it is gonna be, I'm probably gonna have shade cloths all over this yard because, like I said, the wildlife has been going crazy for the last couple of years. So get a last look at them, you guys, and wish me luck. Hopefully I have a large yield of potatoes. Again, I'm going to heal these up and try to keep my eye on them so that I could get a nice harvest of potatoes. That's what it's looking like. We got 3 rows here. Back up a little bit for you guys. There we go. Alright, you guys, so this is SEK the Homestead. I hope everyone is doing well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.